everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you very tasty and delicious Indian sweet, and it's going to be Besan ke Ladoo, or in typical Punjabi we can call it Besan de Ladoo. The ingredients I'm going to use. One tip I wanted to share with you before we start with the Besan ke Ladoo. You need a besan which is a Ladoo besan. This is more coarsely besan. You don't want to use this kind of besan. This is fine besan. This is good for the besan burfi, and this is for the Besan Ladoo. Make sure that you use Ladoo besan. It's 4 cup, 1.5 cup Desi Ghee, which is clarified butter. I have posted a video on my channel. Please check it out. Sugar is always according to taste, but I'll be using 1.5 cup. This is suji, rava or semolina, 1/4 cup. Please use this one in a besan. This will give you more crispiness when you're going to eat it. You will enjoy it. So try it. 1/2 cup chopped almonds. These chopped almonds are not store-bought. I do it at home. This is how I do it. These are raw almonds. This is a mandolin slicer. You can adjust the thickness, and I will place the almonds inside. You can use any dry nut, and you can use a mandolin slicer, and you put the cover on. Once you put the cover, lock it, and then just slice it just like this. As you slice it, it's going to slice like this. Look at this, how thin slices are. So I make my own sliced almond. Let's start making our delicious Besan de Ladoo. Get a big karahi, and we're going to start gas, and we're going to keep the gas on medium. First thing we're going to bring Desi Ghee, clarified butter. Once Desi Ghee is nicely melted, add suji, also add besan. On medium gas, mix it well and keep it moving. As you can see, it's nicely combined. There is no more besan is visible. So as you see, there is any lump, you just break it. So keep cooking, and this will take some time. So keep moving and keep cooking. Cooking for 10 minutes on medium gas. This is how the besan looks. We still need to cook more. Right now we can smell the raw flavor of besan. Once the besan is nicely cooked, you will have a nice aroma inside your kitchen. Matter of fact, the whole house will smell besan. So then you will know it's fully cooked. The besan is almost ready, so altogether it took us 20 minutes. And now what I'm going to do on the other side, I start the gas, and this is the important step as well. Get a small pan, add 2 teaspoons Desi Ghee. The almonds we have, those are raw almonds, and we're going to roast them. So mix it. The whole reason I'm doing it, when we're going to put it in the besan, they're going to taste well. So we're going to cook like for a minute or so. Then we're going to mix inside our besan. The besan is nicely cooked, as you can see. I will bring the gas to simmer while I'm waiting on my almonds. All the almonds are nicely roasted. Mix it well. Our besan is nicely cooked. As you can see, the color has been changed and we have a nice aroma. We're going to turn off the gas. Even though gas is turned off, we're going to keep moving so it won't get burned. So now we're going to bring the karahi on a cooling rack. This besan is hot. If I touch it, it's really hot. It can burn your fingers. So we're going to keep moving. Once it gets cold, then we're going to add sugar, because at this time, if we put the sugar will melt right away, and then it's no good. As you see, the besan is cooling down on cooling rack. Or you can do this. You can expedite the process. You can get a thali, and we're going to transfer besan into the thali. So we're going to scoop out all the besan. So keep it moving like this and spread it. And now if I touch it, it's still hard, but I can touch it. If you hold like this, right now I'm holding it, it's hard. But if you can handle it, that means it's hard, but it's cold enough you can handle it. So that time we're going to bring sugar. So I'm just going to I'm going to make sure that it cools down fast. After transferring the besan into thali, we waited for 5 minutes and keep moving, and it has been cooled down. It's still, I wouldn't say hot, it's still warm, but I can handle it now. So now we're going to add sugar. We're going to spread it evenly. And mix it. At this moment you can mix it with the hand again, but again, as I mentioned, it's still warm. Keep mixing with the wooden spoon. If you notice the sugar is not melting, that's due to it's cooled down. And if it was hot, then it will melt it. Then you have more chances of burning yourself. So these are the tips you need to watch out when you are making a besan laddu. As you can see, the color also changed. It gets a little bit lighter color. The final step will be a mixing with the hand. It's still hot in here. I mean, it's not hot, it's still warm. I can handle it. And now we're going to make sure that we combine the sugar well. Keep mixing and keep spreading. So make sure don't burn yourself. If it's too hot to handle, just don't rush. Wait. What you need to do, we're going to grab this much. We put it on our palm and we're going to press it like this solid. You see? This is the way it's going to be. Then you keep pressing it. When you keep pressing it, you pressurize it. This is what's going to happen. It becomes like a ball shape. No, once it's solidified like this, you press it really. As you've seen, if I press it, it pressed up firmly and it becomes nice. In order to give a round shape, what do you need to do? You bounce this one in your hand. What happens that when we're doing like this, then it will start splitting up. So what you can do, we can keep like this, like laddu like this. This is a nice laddu. We can keep it like this and we can put it in a plate. Once you're done, you can keep putting in a plate. Exactly I want it. To make it really nice, we can get 1 tablespoon more Desi Ghee. Even though you can make a nice laddu shape, but still it's not going to be stay firm because of what's going to happen. If you let it cool down, then it will be okay. But if you press it now, see it break. So in order to make it a nice good laddu, I'm going to get a Desi Ghee. So 1 tablespoon, we're going to add like this. So this is good enough. So we're going to mix it. Once it's nicely combined again with the Desi Ghee, so we can make laddu at this moment. The same process, grab this much and put it in your hand. So as you see, now it's taking more firmer shape than what was before. So that's the tip you need to watch out. You really don't need to put a Desi Ghee too much, but by adding a 1 tablespoon Desi Ghee, see it gives nice shape. So I'm going to keep continuing making this laddu same way. So I'll show you one more. Put it in your palm and then press it. As you see, it's nicely takes a ball shape. So our besan laddu is ready. And I'm going to keep continuing doing that. and I'll finish up all these besan laddus. So this is how you keep making laddu. You can make a bigger size, like I make a little bigger, and I'm going to keep continuing making the same way, and that's how you make your besan ke laddu. All the besan laddus are completed. Out of 4 cup besan, we got 24 laddus. Look, they are very tasty and very delicious. This is the biggest jumbo. Wait for a couple hours before serving. So please try it and comment below how it turned out for you. And like always, if you like this recipe, please like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.